Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to say a little disclaimer. We all do things differently. The way I do things is definitely not how everyone does it. So please be kind to one another, and with that being said, do what works best for you. There is no right way and there is no wrong way. So let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about different types of materials that you can back your beadwork with. I get asked this question a lot. Okay, so first up is vinyl. And this is what it looks like. I buy this by the yard at Joann's and Hobby Lobby. I believe it's called upholstery vinyl. I'm not I'm not too confident on the name of what it's called, but last time I brought in a picture of it and showed them a video of what I wanted, and they showed me exactly what it was. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the top, and then underneath it, it has like these lines like this that go diagonally and crossing each other. So if you want to go to Joann's and look for this, that's what you're going to look for. It is thicker than this other type of vinyl, which I'm almost out of. This is, I believe, online. It's called Arctic Vinyl Fabric Solids. I'll post that here on the screen here in a minute to show you what it looks like. But this is what the back looks like, and it's different than this one here. But yeah, and this is slightly thinner than this. These two are the only things that I've been working with. I went ahead and ordered Faux Leather. I haven't worked with Faux Leather in so long, since I started beading. And at the time I didn't know what it was called, because I was just buying this off of different local suppliers, and they were calling it vinyl. So when I tried to look it up, this wasn't popping up. Just other things like the vinyl for your Cricut machine and all that. That was the only thing that was popping up. I ordered this nude set off of Amazon, and then I'll add the link to the description below on where you can find it. Okay, so they also have other ones too, but let me put that to the side first. This was the nude colored set that I ordered. It came with a chunky glitter material, a faux leather material with different textures, like this one is like metallic, another glitter, and another one with like fine glitter. I have not used this in so long. I'm kind of happy that I did buy it, so I can explore different options and other colors, because I've always wanted to use different colored backing. I also ordered this one off of Amazon, which came with a lot of different colors: gold, yellow, blue, brown, white, orange, and it also came with red as well. The only downside about Faux Leather is using this one here, the glitter. I'm actually not too sure if I'm going to continue to use these, only because a majority of my inventory are earrings, and I definitely do not want to put these on the back of my earrings, because this is my opinion. I feel like since it's glitter and it's kind of textured, I mean, I'm not sure if this would irritate the back of your ear, but I just want to be on the safe side and not use it at all. I also would not use the glitter for phone grips like this one here and badge reels. The glitter will actually make it difficult for the glue to adhere to your phone grip and badge reel. It's just going to end up falling off, and it's not going to stay. But the two best materials for these are the vinyl and I believe this one here, the faux leather that looks like this, and buckskin and real leather, but that's absolutely up to you. But then again, this is just my opinion. The only thing I was able to use this pink one here. I did end up using this one. The only thing I was able to use for this was a lanyard. This, like this here. I used it in the back. I couldn't think of anything else that I would use this for, because the lanyard is not going to be touching skin. It's not going to be touching the back of your ear, you know. So this was the only thing I could figure out to use for the glitter vinyl. This is what it looks like with the black vinyl, and this is the white vinyl. This one, the black one, is a little bit shinier than the white. The white is more matte. I love both of these materials. I will continue to use these. For the faux leather, I think I'm only going to be using the one that is smooth. Okay, so next up is real leather and buckskin. I have used this before, but the only time I use this material is if I'm making a full regalia. But other than that, it's just not in my budget right now. You can find buckskin, I believe, at Beaded Edge Supply and different trading posts. I used to buy scraps from Silver Dust in Gallup, New Mexico, but I'm not located near that area anymore, so I just don't have any on hand. These are the only materials that I would use, but that does not mean that you have to use these as well. I mean, use what you have. If you have felt, you know, continue to use that. I mean, especially if you're a beginner. So I use felt for this bow here. Also, I have seen people use fabric on the back of their earrings. The only thing with fabric is it does fray around the edges, so you gotta be careful with that. I think that's all I have to say right now about these different types of materials. Again, you can find them on Amazon. You can find them at Joann's and Hobby Lobby. You can find them online on the Joann's website, as well as the Hobby Lobby website. Well, you know, that's it for this video. If you have any other questions, please put them down in the comments, and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. I'll try to put them into maybe future video. If you want to, you know, keep updated on the latest work that I've been doing, you can follow me on Instagram at Albadoni. I am also on TikTok at Albadoni Creations, and I do have an Etsy shop if you want to shop any of my jewelry. That is etsy.com/Albadoni Creations. I will leave those links in the description below as well. Alright, and with that being said, thank you all for watching.